What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go with our friend Matic. Currently sitting at $1, up about 9.9 on the day. Seeing market cap of 8.63 billion. 24-hour volume is 937 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, sign up, grab up to 30,000 in bonuses, or BitGet up to 8K in bonuses. BitGet's where I'm doing most of my trading, but I do use both exchanges. If you sign up through my referral, it takes 2 seconds. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, completely for free if you sign up to either exchange. So let's hop into Matic. So we invalidated that wave 2 pullback because we broke above the wave 1 high, which is the wave count here in orange. So the only thing that remains that's potentially bearish is going through an ending diagonal. So we came down in a 1-2, and then you're looking to come down in a wave 3. An ending diagonal consists of an A, B, C. So you came down, this is quite drawn out though. You came down in a wave A, then you A, B, C into a wave B, and you would look to come down in a wave C and a wave 3. Now to invalidate that, all you have to do is break that wave 2 high at about $1.16. If you break that, then what I would be looking at is that the wave 2 was very shallow and it's complete. So we pushed up in a wave 1. You A, B, C'd flat into a wave 2, and now you're starting an impulse in a wave 3. It's possible if Bitcoin has bottomed, it is possible. Obviously, Matic has been holding up very strong in this bear market. So if we do come up and break 116, then that's what I would be looking at. The wave 2 is complete. You're going to start the impulse to the upside in a wave 3. All right, guys, we could give a quick target if that were to play out. Would be a miracle in my opinion, but it's definitely on the table. Take your trend-based extension from the bottom of the wave 1 up to the top of the wave 1. Remember, this is an ABC, and you would take it to the bottom of wave 2, which would be right here. And you would target the 1.618 extension, which would take you up to $4.63 for the price of Matic. All right, gang. Now, if we do get rejected from this level, from the 0.786, which is a normal retracement in between the 0.5 and the 0.786 for a wave B in an ending diagonal, and we see continuation to the downside, it would be a 3-wave move. So firstly, you would want to see a 5-wave move into a wave A. It'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Complete a wave A, you would see a 3-wave move into a wave B and a 5-wave move into a wave C. And that would complete the wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to still take you down to that 40 to 50 cent range. All right, gang, unless 116 is broken. We're overbought on the 4-hour. On the 1 hour, yeah, we were extremely overbought. We're pulling back a little bit here. We do have a nice 5-wave impulse. We have a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we could definitely pull back from here. Ethereum and Bitcoin are extremely overbought, especially on the daily time frame. Would be healthy to see some pullback. But as I mentioned, you break above 116, then you would see the continuation of the bull market in a wave 3, in my opinion. As you can see with this daily candle, we are seeing some strong selling pressure. So if we continue to sell off here and we close with basically a topping tail or a weak bullish candle, as the bulls try to push the price up, the bears push it right back down. That may signal the start of a bit of a reversal, a pullback here. We are back above the EMAs, about to print the bullish cross. So if we do pull back and we hold the EMAs here, we see continuation. We break 116, which is the technical target of this descending triangle. Then potentially going to see a huge push up in that wave 3 for the price of Matic. Taking a look at Ethereum, same thing. We have our ending diagonal, still potentially putting in that wave 4 pullback in a wave C. So you push up in a wave A, wave B pullback, and then a 5-wave move into a wave C. We've completed a nice 5-wave move already. If we break 1779, it invalidates that. We are currently at resistance and extremely overbought. If we pop over the daily time frame, look at that. The RSI is just crazy overbought. So just be very, very careful. It doesn't mean that you can't just continue to explode. If we scroll back here and we look at when we're extremely overbought right here, we did see, yeah, we saw a dump. That's actually a pretty big drop. If we go from the peak, yeah, that's a 31% drop. Scary times in the bull market when you see those basically flash crashes. But it doesn't guarantee that you are going to roll over. As you can see, we're extremely overbought right here, and we trickled higher before seeing a pullback. So if we do come up and break that invalidation point, then potentially we could look at this ending diagonal being complete and the wave 2 already being in for the price of ETH. And same thing for Ethereum. We are seeing some selling pressure come in. So depending on the daily close here, if we have a bit of a topping tail candle, maybe I could give an example. If I scroll back and we can find a topping tail, well, we have a bottoming tail right here. See the bears trying to push the price back down. Bulls push it right back up, can signal a reversal in the trend. I don't have very many good examples here. Well, here you have a topping tail right here, and we did see a little bit of pullback. Yeah, so if you do see Ethereum continue to sell off today and we don't have a strong candle body, if it comes down a little bit here, then what you have what's called a topping tail, can signal reversal. But we are about to print the bullish cross on the daily as well. So if we can hold it, then we can definitely see continuation. So there's definitely a possibility if we do pull back that we just pull back to the EMAs, we hold them, and we see continuation to the upside, signifying that the wave 2 pullback is already in. We pushed up in a wave 1. This is a wave 2, and you're going to explode up in a wave 3. It's definitely on the table. I still think that the ending diagonal has a bit of a higher probability, but I did post in the Discord that the previous 2 bear markets did bottom in January. In 2015, we retested the low in August, but in 2018, we bottomed out in January. So it's definitely on the table. It's definitely a surprise for me. I thought we'd bottom out in March. But we still haven't confirmed that a bottom is in for the price of BTC. So just keep that in mind. All right, gang. So that's what I'm looking at for Matic. We need to see a rejection pretty soon if we are going to come down in that wave C and that wave 3 of the ending diagonal. The only is how drawn out this ABC, well, basically this B wave. This B wave is just absolutely massive. It's possible, but it looks a bit ugly in my opinion. And that could give a higher probability to the wave 2 being in and seeing an impulse to the upside in a wave 3. But as of right now, until that invalidation point is broken at 116, I'd probably still focus on us coming a little bit lower, and there's definitely potential that this is a bull trap until Bitcoin breaks about 21.5K, which it is very close to doing. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Sign up to either Bybit or BitGet, grab those bonuses, and email me or sign up email. Free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, giving market updates, all kinds of goodies at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, which can be very helpful along your trading journey, signals. You can see how the members are doing with the member profits. They like to post their trades in here, and some of them have been absolutely crushing it, which is good to see. All right, gang. So that's it for this one. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.